Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Cornell notes so that you guys can be taking really great notes on the resources that we're looking at together in class. We've been doing this for a little while, experimenting with it, so you already know what the format is. For the next few weeks as we're taking notes, we are not going to use the bottom summary section, so you can just draw one line down the left-ish side of your page and be done with it. The left-hand side of the Cornell notes are really critical to what makes these successful. You can think of that left side as like an index into the rest of your notes and as a quick place to look for the most important things that you're doing. So you can think of it as keywords, key terms, questions, main idea, any of those words that make the most sense to you. But the left side are just short, quick, important words. And then on the right side are the notes that you're taking. Be sure that you don't write down every single word. Be discerning. Put the most important points. All right. As a class, we are going to follow a system together. We are going to categorize things in our Cornell notes as terms, definitions, examples, and things to know about. So we have those 4 things that we're going to be putting down in our Cornell notes, and they're going to be colored. So terms are always going to be yellow, definitions pink, examples are green, and orange, things to know about. And we're even going to use these braces and parentheses to show things. So when I look across the notes of everyone in the class, they should all have the same feel and look to them because you're all using the same system. That way we can peer edit with one another and help each other because we're all using the same system. Eventually you can break out and do your own thing, but while we're developing this skill, we're going to do it the same way. Here's an example of a page from notes on a figurative language video. You can see that there were a couple of terms that were provided. Here are some definitions. There were things to know about in orange here, and then some examples here at the bottom. So notice that apparently in this video, they first defined these 2 types of language, and then they started talking about the details of the literal language. And so the order that things are presented on my page are the same order that they were presented on the video. Here's another example of what your notes might look like with our color scheme. What we're going to do for the next few weeks is when you get your instructions for what we're going to do every day and you see the videos and notes that you will be watching and reading, there's going to be a section now called In Your Cornell Notes, and it will tell you exactly the details that I am looking for. And so that will guide you in how to take your notes. Once you've taken your notes, then you're going to highlight together with your squad. So that means you'll go back and you'll add these colors in and you'll be thinking and talking together about the information in your notes. And then you will have actual notes like these that I will give you that will show you what you should have pulled out of the notes. So lots of information to help you be successful. And the final step that's going to be really important is that I want you then to think about how you can be a better note taker. What did you miss? What did you do well? What do you need to be better at next time? So after you've done this for a few times, you should be awesome Cornell note takers. Thanks.